Yes, hello everyone. So welcome back to the session. In this video, I'm going to discuss about law of radioactive disintegration. Okay, so look at the definition here. The rate of disintegration of a radioactive substance is directly proportional to the number of nuclei present in that substance. So clearly I mentioned here the rate of disintegration, that means minus dN by dt is directly proportional to number of nuclei present in that substance. Okay, that means when time increases, number of nuclei present in the substance will decrease. That is the reason I took minus here. Okay, so I'm going to remove this proportional here. So therefore minus dN by dt is equal to some constant into n. So this constant is nothing but lambda. So lambda means decay constant. So decay constant. Okay. Now we can take this minus right side also. Let us see. dN by dt is equal to minus lambda into n. So look at the step carefully. Left side in denominator time will be there, and right side we have n term will be there. So I'm taking n terms and all one side. That means dN by n is equal to minus lambda into dt. Okay, so after getting this equation, I am going to take integration on both sides. So integral dN by n is equal to minus lambda into integral dt. Okay, so here the integral limits for n value I am taking, initial value is n naught and the final value is n. Similarly, time, it starts from 0, right? So initial time is 0 and final time I am assuming t. Okay, so look at this equation carefully. This equation, it looks like integral 1 by x dx, right? So integral 1 by x dx means log x. Similarly here, integral 1 by n dn, that means log n. So we can write it as, it looks like log n, the boundaries is from n naught to n is equal to minus lambda into integral dt means t, the time varying from 0 to t. Okay, now I'm going to substitute this n and n naught instead of n place. Okay, so here the maximum value is n, right? So I'm writing like this, log, instead of this n I'm substituting this maximum n. So log n minus log n naught is equal to minus lambda into, so instead of this time first I am substituting this t. So t minus again this 0. Okay, so this equation, it looks like this is log a minus log b. So we know that log a minus log b means log a by b, right? So instead of a we have n. So log n by n naught is equal to minus lambda into t minus 0 means only t. Okay, so log n by n naught is equal to minus lambda into t. 1 second. Yes. So log n by n naught is equal to minus lambda into t. This log term I am taking right side. Therefore, n by n naught is equal to e power minus lambda into t. Okay, so this n naught term also I am taking right side. Then n is equal to n naught into e power minus lambda into t. So this is the final expression for law of radioactive disintegration. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you.